boost your productivity by 25% with just a kitchen timer. The Pomodoro technique is a game changer, breaking your work into bite-sized, focused intervals of 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. This simple yet powerful method keeps your mind sharp and reduces burnout by making tasks more manageable. Imagine turning daunting projects into a series of quick wins, each interval a burst of concentrated effort. The secret lies in the rhythm: work with intensity, rest briefly, then repeat. It's like a mental gym session, training your brain to focus and recharge in cycles. People often think productivity requires longer hours, but the Pomodoro technique flips that notion, proving that smarter, not harder, is the way forward. Try it and watch your efficiency skyrocket, transforming how you tackle your to-do list with unstoppable momentum.